Indue, products that work, experience that counts. A premium manufacturer and installer of industrial coating systems, our growth over the years is the result of understanding the realities of our customers' environments and adapting to changing requirements to provide them with long-lasting solutions. Now let's take a look at the industrial coatings market as a whole. There are dozens of types of industries that require many different kinds of industrial coatings. Oil and gas, mining, automotive, bridges, marine, and storage tanks, just to name a few. The manufacturers of these coatings, in turn, offer a wide variety of coating technologies to cover all of these markets. The installers of these coatings now have to choose which types of industries they want to work in and find which type of coatings they want to install, and get trained on how to mix and apply these products. Installers then have to rely on carriers for transporting these materials from the manufacturers to their facilities or to their customers' facilities in a timely manner. By keeping Indue's focus on our customers, it's allowed us to gain valuable experience and knowledge about how to maximize safety and efficiency in their environments. We work with over 90% of the top 25 food and beverage manufacturers in the U.S. Please give us a call at 1-800-577-6213 if you have any questions or would like to schedule a free on-site visit to look at any projects you might be considering. And of course, you can check out our website at indue.com.